this your first time at Disneyland? First ride of the day, the tram. I'm excited for the tram.
Might be an intense ride.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a little intense, but all right, we stopped at Jolly Holiday Bakery. And we both got the same thing. A lovely donut, which I'm super excited to eat. And your opinion on the egg sandwich so far?
Oh, I didn't eat it yet.
Oh, you just been eating the fruit?
Yeah.
I was like, how is it? You're like,
Fruit
good.
is delicious.
She got a caramel macchiato, right? I'm super excited. I've never had this before either. All right, verdict on the sandwich. It was really good. What do you think?
I think it was very good.
Ayla's still eating hers, but I think the only thing we commented on was how it was cut, and it was really hard to like eat it with your hands, which I don't like to do anyway, so that's fine for me, but it just kind of falls apart super easily, so, you know, but now I'm on to the cupcake. I mean, cupcake. Donut. What just happened? It all fell off. And mine went on the table and on the floor. First time on Space Mountain. Fancier. Your review. Never done Space Mountain. Didn't know what to expect.
Did not know what to expect. It was good. Of course, it's more exciting like that it's in the dark.
Yeah, you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
And I think they made it a little more dark than it had previously been.
Oh,
so like,
okay.
you know, to enhance the experience.
A couple times so that like I thought is what I was gonna pick up and then it didn't.
Pick up like go faster.
When you go up, you know, hyper speed or
I know,
whatever you're
that
doing,
was the one.
It seems like you should shoot up. So it was a little like I was expecting that.
That is the one thing.
And then you're still like going slow.
Right. That is the one thing that I've complained about Hyperspace Mountain is they say punch it, and then you're just like,
You're still, yeah.
not punching anything. So,
Yes.
and it's super epic with the music, right?
Yeah.
Like it's amazing. Anyway, so thumbs up, right? I've been the worst at vlogging right now. We just went on Splash Mountain. Didn't get that wet.
No.
But the tip is sit in the back. If you sit in the front, you're gonna get soaked. So that's a tip from me to you. You're welcome. So what'd you think of it?
It was a good ride.
Yeah, like it's cute.
Yeah, it's very cute. Yeah.
And it's nice if you need a little like splash of water.
Yeah.
Plus I sang just about every single word of the song to her.
Yeah, I got it the ride in surround sound.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
I'm sure you loved
that
that.
was a different experience.
Now we're gonna ride Big Thunder Mountain. This is my like
It's official.
stabilizer, I guess. So on this day, 3 years ago, this chick and I were in Orlando going to Universal Studios. My Facebook told me that. Oh, I just got wet. Why did I get wet? Did someone spit on me?
Did you ask if somebody spit on you?
Well, I thought that was the ride and going. I was like, embarrassed to be like. I seriously thought someone spit up on, or like spit on me. I like looked out to see if it was a color. I have to share what just happened. So we waited in line about 35 minutes or so for Big Thunder Mountain. And then we got right up to the point where we were gonna go on, and they shut it down. And they came over the loudspeaker and said like, oh, just 10 more minutes, just wait 10 more minutes and then we'll be back on. So we waited 10 minutes, and at the 10-minute mark, they came on and said, okay, now it's closed indefinitely. We had to get off, baking in the sun the entire time. At the end of the ride, then they gave us 2 replacement fast passes that we can use on any Disneyland park rides except for Space Mountain, Indiana Jones, and Matterhorn, which I think is closed today anyway. So it's nice that they do that, but we're hot. So we're headed to the Tiki Room now. Tiki's first Dole Whip. And she likes it. She really likes it.
Wake up, Jose! Wake up, Jose!
thoughts on the Tiki Room? That little girl. What'd she do?
On the way out, bye my pretties.
Did she? Aww.
I love everything that sings.
Ayla, what did you think?
That was my favorite one so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun. Couldn't tell if you were screaming or not. The first time I rode this, the fake out with the big ball really got me.
That did get me. Yeah.
Like I was concerned for a hot second. All right, we're now making the trek over to DCA, California Adventure. Another first for today. A lot of firsts. Ayla's very excited about Oogie Boogie. Did you get a picture?
Yep.
Hey down there.
I feel extra special and I need to document this moment. Ayla has her ears on that I gifted her. Now we're matching. Ayla has now also ridden the Regatta coaster,
Yes.
and the verdict is she liked it.
I did really like it. Yeah, it was a good one.
Do you think it's in your
Like, 'cause it's a roller coaster.
right?
You know?
It's still not as intense as some other ones, but
No,
like
but
it's still fun. Yeah. Do you think you still like Indiana Jones best though?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. See, that's why it's my favorite ride.
Like, I feel like I could go on a ride like the Incredicoaster somewhere else.
Yeah, you
know,
can.
like the actual roller coaster.
Right, the actual track or
Yeah,
something.
right.
Mhm. Yeah, totally.
Well, our story has come to an end, but our celebration continues here at Plaza de la Familia.
Ayla doesn't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, but I didn't tell her where we're going. I just said we're going to air conditioning. And she was
all that
like,
matters.
yeah, she was like, yeah, that's fine. So we changed plans. We made a pit stop, took a photo. Now we're back to our secret undisclosed location. No idea where we're going. Where could it be?
I have no clue.
You're like, I literally have never been here before.
No.
No idea what you're
I can't
thinking.
even guess.
Not a mind reader.
But now that we have this in place, the first feature we do want to give our dog now is going to be his nose. So going right between our two ovals here. I'm going to go ahead and sketch in one more oval right between the two.
Decisive and tough. May not be the fairest one of all, but you can take pride in being rotten to the core. Our most
Whoa! All right.
perfectionist and perfectly wicked. As a leader who will lock horns with anyone, your focus and determination
Maleficent. I'm guessing
make you a
Maleficent.
force to be reckoned with. You are most like Maleficent. There you have it.
Except it's all wrong because I couldn't pick any of my answers. Hocus pocus. Undead batteries. Undead batteries jump again.